Hey everybody, I wanted to make this quick video so that everybody that wants to play Asherons Call 2 on the emulator server is able to do so by following these quick, simple steps. And then you can always go in the Discord if you have any other questions. But let's get started. So in the description, I'm going to leave a download link. That download link is going to lead you to a Dropbox link. Go ahead and just download the zip file, this one right here. Download. Then after that's downloaded, go ahead and unzip the file. So here's this. I already pre-downloaded it. So you're going to right click it and do extract all. And yeah, extract. So we'll wait for that. While that's finishing extracting, there's also going to be a text file in there that we'll go ahead and open up. This is going to be the hardest part of this, but it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. It will be pretty simple. So, all right, now that that's done, it's going to show all the extracted files. Here we go. So it should be this right here. Now, if you want this to be in a specific place, you'll have to put it in the specific place at that point. But for right now, we'll just leave it in here. Go ahead and open that up. In here, there will be a text file. Oh, actually, I'm just kidding. So what you'll actually want to do is download the text file in here, the one that says account creation text. Download that, open it up. What we'll do is first things first is we're going to make a shortcut of this ac2 client.exe. So right click it. And then if you're on Windows 11, you'll have to go to show more options. And then from there, you'll click create shortcut. So that should create the shortcut. It'll probably send it down here. Then very next step we're going to do is right click that same thing, this one, not the shortcut. Don't right click the shortcut yet. Right click this one. Right click this one, and there's an option copy as path, or you can do Control Shift C. Click that, then go into your account creation text, and what you'll want to do is where it says your target for Windows Explorer, highlight all that text and press Control V or paste. Let's just do paste so that. And you see how there's double quotations here? You only want single quotations, so just delete that on either side of that. All right. That is the hardest step of this. The next thing that you're going to do is where it says account name here. Go ahead and highlight that. Type in whatever you want. Okay. And then go over here where it says password here and type in whatever you want. Don't make anything too complicated. Nobody can really get into your, well, actually they can. So yeah, just anyway. So after you do that, what you're going to do is you are going to select all of that, right click and click copy. That part is done. The next thing that we will do is go ahead and go down here to the shortcut that we created back in the unzipped file. We'll right click the shortcut and hit properties. And then right here where it says target, go ahead and hit Control A and backspace. Make sure everything's deleted. And then right click and click paste. Okay. The next thing after that, that will paste what we did here. Click apply, hit OK, and then you can drag and drop this now to your desktop. Okay, and guess what? We are pretty much done. The next thing you're going to do is double click this. Press allow. And it's possible the download server could be down at the time. So, you know, just wait for the I'm sorry, for the emulator server. But otherwise, you're done. So you now are, after once the as long as the emulator server up, it'll just say connection successful. Then you'll make a character, and congratulations, there you go. Make sure to share this video with anybody that asks how to get this up and running. It'll make their life so much easier.